Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So actually all we have to do is simply open the dialer or your contact list and let's tap on this three dots icon. Now let's choose the settings and here we've got the blocked numbers, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we can add a number, so tap on it. Here we've got our blacklist and we have no blocked numbers. Now we can manually type the number we want to block. And if you're ready, click on block. As you can see, it immediately changes on our blacklist and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, simply tap on this X button right next to it and click on unblock. And as you can see, it disappears and it means that from now on this number will be able to call you or text you. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.